Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up and please leave an awesome comment. Today we are going to be doing some shrimp. I got some, some 16 to 21 count. So they're actually, they're called extra jumbo shrimp. They're actually pretty good size. And we're going to be cooking these in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. I'm going to show you how to grill those up with a little bit of seasoning. They're going to turn out awesome, simple and delicious. Like always, let's get into the cook. All right, so this is what we got. Some nice big shrimp. They've already been deshelled and deveined, and they're pretty good size. As a matter of fact, this is so I usually buy them already deshelled and deveined, but anyway, Gulf shrimp, product of the USA. Always support your country for sure. Any country you're from, support your country. Count here 16 to 20, and that means basically for 1 pound you're getting 16 to 20 shrimp. So these are pretty good size. As a matter of fact, let me take one of these puppies out here. These are yeah, those are pretty good size. So anyway, went ahead and deshelled and deveined those. So and then just rinsed them off. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and season them up, and we're going to keep it simple. All we're going to use is some garlic salt, and then we are going to hit it up. Now this is a big shot. It's called Veggie Magic. This is Italian seasoning is what it is. So what we're using is garlic salt and Italian seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and season these up. Okay, so we've got them all seasoned up. Check that out. Yeah, some garlic salt and basically some Italian seasoning. This just has a little bigger chunks of some stuff in it, but those are phenomenal. So next thing is we're gonna skew them up. See you in a second. Okay, so we got our skewers. Now make sure your skewers are the right size to fit in the Ninja Foodi. You can fit it lengthwise or widthwise, but however you do them, make sure that your skewers are that proper length. So these are fairly short, not that long. So I think I'm only going to get about 2 of these on each skewer. And you want to make sure to put all these shrimp on, you know, exactly the same way. All right, so 1. Let's see here. Get over here, shrimp, and 2. And yeah, I think we're good with 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, absolutely. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. All right, so we're done, and as you can see, I had 9 total, and you can fit a lot more. I'm just doing this to show you how to do it, but we got 3 on one, and actually I could have put 3 on each one of these and did a lot more, and actually could do a lot more anyway, but this is to show you how to do it. Let's go ahead and go over to the Ninja Foodi and get these things grilled up. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are at the Ninja Foodi. We're not going to use any thermometer or anything. These are going to be super quick, so we're going to, well actually first thing is we're using the grill grate is what we got here, and then the drip pan, of course, and then go ahead and turn the unit on, and then we're going to go ahead and pick down here the grill function. It's going to go on high, and well, we'll just set it for, it's not going to take 15 minutes for sure, but anyway, we're going to set it on high, and then press start. It's going to start to preheat. Once it's done preheating, we're going to throw the shrimp in. See you in a minute. Alright, so we are done preheating. As you can see, it says add food, so we're going to open this up. And we got our shrimp here, and they're looking beautiful. Now, obviously this plate is super hot, so I suggest wearing a glove or use some tongs, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go in and put these shrimp right in. And obviously you can fit more than the 2 shrimp per tong that I have. And this has a lot of space. You could do a lot of shrimp on this thing actually. I'm not even using close to the capacity. I mean, you could fit a ton of shrimp on here anyway. So we got the shrimp on. Now all we're gonna do is go ahead and close this up, let it resume in 3 minutes. We're gonna flip it, we'll see you then. Okay, we're counting down, 3, 2, 1. So it has been 3 minutes on that side. Well, the timer, as you can see right here, shows, I set it for 15 minutes, so 11:59. So now I do suggest using an oven mitt or some tongs so you don't burn yourself, but I'm just gonna go ahead and flip these things. Just like that. And woo, it is hot. And they're looking beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut this thing back down. We're gonna give it 3 more minutes. We'll see you then. Okay, we're counting down, 2, 1. So 9 minutes from the beginning of when we cooked. That's a total of 6 minutes. Now, shrimp is done at 145, all right? And these are decent sized shrimp, so you can actually take your thermometer. So 145 degrees is when they're done. We're looking at 100 and, oh my gosh, yeah. 160, 155. The one over there was 100 and, these are done. All right, so we're good to go. I'm gonna pull these off and show you how they turned out. See you in a minute. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. As you can see here, I would say those are awesome. Well, as you can see, there's there's one missing off one of these skewers. I just had to try it, as a matter of fact. Yeah, I'm gonna pull another one off and try this one. Look at that. Crusted and all that, a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning. That is so good. All right, we'll see you up top. See you in a minute. All right, so we're finished with the cook, and we got some awesome shrimp, and they turned out absolutely phenomenal. I mean, cooked perfectly, and obviously the amount that I put in there was nothing. I mean, you can do way more shrimp in there. I put 9 in there. I mean, you could probably do 30 or more shrimp at a time, and we're talking about, 5 or 6 minutes to get all the shrimp done. That's awesome and amazing. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe if you like the content. Hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up, and please leave an awesome comment. I got some shrimp to eat. I mean, they're called the shrimp for a reason, because they're shrimp. Even though they're jumbo shrimp, they're still small. I'm gonna eat these right now. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.